Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Kelsey and thank you so much for joining me today. And today I'm going to be doing a little review on this palette from Physicians Formula. So I first saw this palette on Allie Glines' Instagram, which if you don't know who Allie Glines is, search for her now on YouTube. She's a really cool YouTuber. I really enjoy her content. She talks about makeup and I think she does a great job. But I saw this on her Instagram. She had posted it to her stories. At that point, I had never seen this product and I was extremely interested because I've never used any of the butter bronzer, butter collection formula, anything from Physicians Formula. And so when I saw all of these products in a palette, I was extremely interested. Now, I saw Allie's post on Instagram probably about 2 weeks ago while I was in Chicago, but since then I have seen so many YouTubers talk about this. But honestly, like that initial time that I saw it on Instagram, I was like, yep, gonna buy that. I knew nothing about it. I knew nothing about the price, where to buy it, but I was like, yeah, I need that. Like, I don't know, there was just something about it that like spoke to me and resonated with me that I was like, I need that. So since then, like I said, I've seen so many people do videos about this and it just kind of like reinforced the need in my mind that I needed this. And so I did pick it up and I'm so happy. Now, they sell this palette at Walmart or you can get it on Physicians Formula website. On Physicians Formula's website, I believe it retails for like a $15 or $16, but if you buy it at Walmart, it retails for $11.88, which is such a good deal. You're getting 5 products in this palette, and you're paying less than what a regular bronzer is. So I have been interested in this formula in the past, but I just have never like bitten the bullet and like bought the bronzer. Like the bronzer was the main thing I was interested in, but I just never bought it because you probably are familiar. Physicians Formula is kind of one of the more expensive brands at the drugstore, and so usually if I try their products, it's because they're on sale or I'm like really interested in something. And so I just never bought the bronzer. While it did look appealing and I had heard so many things about it, just never did. So again, like I said, this is such a good deal on this product. I really like this. Like, I'm so happy I bought this. Well, so back up a little bit. I said it was a good deal, but I should tell you the product amount of each of these products is not the same amount that you get in a normal, like a butter bronzer. So the product weights in here are 0.17 ounce for each 4 of those colors, where a normal butter bronzer I think was like close to 0.3 ounces. So you're getting like about half the amount of product that you do in the normal butter bronzer, but again, you're getting 4 color products and a perfume. I'm going to go over some brief thoughts on each 4 of these products as well as the perfume. Now, the bronzer is in the shade Bronze, like I said, and I was a little nervous this was going to be too dark on me because they do have a shade called Light Bronzer or Bronzer Light or something, and I always thought that would probably be the color that I chose. I do prefer going for a very light colored bronzer just because I have really fair skin. But this bronzer has worked perfectly. I'm wearing it today and I think it just adds like such a nice glow to the skin, so I understand why this bronzer has been so hyped up. The blush is in the shade Natural Glow and it's just the perfect peachy pink and has just the right amount of glow. It says Natural Glow, but it has like just the right amount of like almost like a rose gold shimmer to it. It's not overly golden, but it's not like super like peachy either. It just has this like rosy, golden, peachy color to your skin and it just looks beautiful. Again, I'm wearing it today. I put this on this morning around maybe 7 and it's 8 o'clock at night now. I did touch up just a touch before I filmed, because I wanted to look fresh. But honestly, before that, it really didn't look too much different than this. The color wears beautifully throughout the day with all of these products. And then the highlight, again, you've got Full Moon, which is that more like golden shade here, which is definitely my favorite out of the two highlights. I prefer a more golden glow. I just think it looks nicer on my complexion and with my hair. I enjoy it. And then the other one in Galactic is beautiful. Like, it is stunning, but again, it's just not like the best for my skin color. It just looks a little ashy and like kind of gray on my skin. I did hear Kathleen Lights say that she likes to mix both of those colors and apply them. So I did try that, and I do like the way that looks. It's still a little kind of on the ashier side, but it's like a nice, it's nice. And I should mention this Galactic shade is like the most stunning highlight. Like, if this shade looks good on your skin, I'm so jealous, because it is like, it looks like pure silver. It's just like the shiniest, most like metallic highlighter I have ever seen, and it's beautiful. Just like I said, does not look great on my skin tone. But I have thought about maybe trying it on my eyelid, and I think that'd be super cute. Now for the last product in this palette, you get the little Eau de Toilette perfume, or I guess it's just the Eau de Toilette. It's a perfume, and it's the Butter Paradise scent. It smells so good. I love this stuff. It's like people have always said that these products smell really good. And I did hear that people were saying that this palette doesn't have as much scent as the normal product. And I think this smells, I feel like it just smells kind of like cocoa buttery. Like, it smells okay, but it just kind of is like pretty neutral, not anything too crazy. This perfume is like that times 10 plus like a floraliness. It's so good. I love it. It smells so good, and it really does last pretty dang well throughout the day. I feel like I've heard quite a few people say that they don't think it lasts on them. I feel like it lasts quite a bit. I don't apply very much. I don't apply very much perfume in general. I just kind of like spritz it into the air and walk through it, and I feel like I smell it on my skin for about the first hour or so very strongly. Like, it's almost like too much, where I'm kind of like, okay, I don't need to smell it quite this much. But then throughout the day, I'll get like a little whiff of it here and there if I'm like moving or something, and it's just so beautiful all over again. So I think you can probably get from my review here that I have been loving this palette. So if you see this in Walmart, or if you're even wanting to pick this up on Physicians Formula website, I would highly recommend it. I was kind of nervous that Walmart wasn't going to have any of them left, because I feel like I've heard so much about them on YouTube. And so I walked into Walmart, which I don't have a Walmart super close to me, but I was out running errands and I went past a Walmart and I was like, I'm gonna stop real quick, see what they have, if it's anything. If they have it, I'm buying it. And so I walked in, sure enough, they had like a whole end cap with a bunch of these palettes on it. And so I would so highly recommend this palette. I really don't have anything negative to say about it. It's so good. And for the price, it is incredible. So yeah, highly recommended. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe down below if you haven't already. I would love to have you around. And until next time, bye guys.